Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily add someone to the Telegram application by phone number. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as write your comments after watching and put likes under the video. And let's get started, friends. Now I will show you everything step by step. First, you will need to open Telegram on your iPhone. After that, at the bottom, click on the word Contacts. And here in the Contacts section, you will have all the contacts that are already pulled up to your Telegram. If you don't already have synchronization between your phone book and Telegram, then you'll be prompted to do that, and you just need to follow the instructions that you have here, so that you can add someone by phone number to the Telegram app. Click on the plus sign here on the top right. Then you can start entering the first name as well as the last name of that person. After that, you can also enter the cell phone number of that person. If he or she has another phone number, then you can also enter that as well. After that, you will need to add a new contact in Telegram at the top by clicking on the word Create. As you can see, such a contact will be added immediately. And if this contact, unfortunately, is not yet used in the Telegram application, then you can use one very convenient feature. It's to invite him or her to Telegram. To do that, click here. And immediately you will be forwarded to the message. And such a person will be sent a message immediately with an active link to the Telegram application, which he can download in order to use Telegram. This is the way, friends, very quick and simple. You can easily add someone to Telegram by phone number. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to write comments, put likes under the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you, friends!